Hi. Welcome to another Investor Web video. Today we'll expound the term deflation. Deflation is a decrease in the general price level of goods and services in an economy. Deflation happens when there is a persistent drop in the rate of inflation, which causes prices to decrease. When deflation occurs, it can have a significant impact on both consumers and businesses. For consumers, deflation can be beneficial in that it lowers the cost of goods and services. This can lead to people being able to purchase more for less money. On the other hand, it can also be detrimental for consumers since wages may not keep up with the rate of deflation, leading to an overall decrease in purchasing power. For businesses, deflation can be both beneficial and detrimental as well. Businesses may benefit from lower costs as input prices are lowered due to deflationary forces. However, businesses may suffer from decreased demand as consumers may be reluctant to purchase goods and services when prices are falling. This could lead to decreased profits and decreased investment. Deflation can also have a negative effect on the overall economy if it persists over a long period of time. When deflation is prolonged, it can lead to a decrease in aggregate demand and an increase in unemployment, leading to an economic recession. In this case, governments may have to intervene by enacting policies such as cutting interest rates or increasing government spending in order to stimulate the economy. If you found the video informative, comment below, like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos.